Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well. One of its biggest highlights is fast, such as a 120Hz high refresh rate screen, 120W super fast charge, etc. It only takes 17 minutes to charge the 4700 mAh large battery get to 100%. The Xiaomi Poco F4 GT uses an L-shaped battery which optimizes its interior. In terms of core configuration, Xiaomi Poco F4 GT uses a 6.67-inch OLED flexible straight screen. It comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 flagship processor. On the front, it has a 20-megapixel Sony IMX596 camera. On the rear, this device comes with a 64-megapixels main camera, an 8MP super wide angle and a 2-megapixels macro camera. The main camera is Sony IMX686, and it uses the MIUI 13 system on top of Android 12. Poco F4 GT is an absolute gaming beast. Chinese manufacturer, Xiaomi, makes many decent smartphones, but some are just too impressive. After the launch of the Poco F4 GT, there have been a couple of positive reviews of this smartphone. According to Android Central, the Xiaomi Poco F4 GT is an impressive gaming phone. This smartphone is an absolute performance monster at an affordable price. In addition, the Xiaomi Poco X4 GT series will use the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 flagship processor. This device will be the very first Dimensity 8100 mobile phone on Xiaomi's shelf. This chip is based on TSMC's 5nm process. It consists of 4 Cortex-A78 cores with a main frequency of 2.85 GHz and 4 Cortex-A55 with a main frequency of 2.0 GHz. The GPU is Mali G610MC6. It is worth noting that the Xiaomi Poco X4 GT series will support intelligent adjustment of the refresh rate. The mobile phone will vary from the lowest 30 FPS for movies to 120 FPS for games. The switch will be automatic according to the usage scenarios. It will go up to high refreshes when a high refresh rate is required. Also, it will automatically reduce the refresh rate to save power. This will ensure that there is an efficient use of the high screen refresh rate and save power according to Xiaomi Net. The new Xiaomi Poco phone with model number 22041216G appeared in the IMEI database. There are reports that this device will be the Poco X4 GT and will launch globally in the near future. Furthermore, the report also claims that there are two models in the Xiaomi Poco X4 GT series. The company will release the Xiaomi Poco X4 GT and Xiaomi Poco X4 GT Plus. The former uses a 144Hz LCD full screen. The battery capacity is 4980 mAh, and it supports 67W fast. So this was our video today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.